Hi, I am Philippa Robb, Senior Smarter Transport Officer at the London Borough of Hammersmith and Fulham, and we are super excited to be here celebrating our first 100th cycle hangar, and we're doing it with a lovely resident. It's just such an exciting moment for us. Hammersmith and Fulham is one of the UK's most densely populated boroughs, and we have a wide mix of housing, and we have a lot of people living in a range of flats that date from Victorian times, Edwardian times, post-war, and now lots of new builds as well. And so cycle parking really helps for lots and lots of families that just don't have any outside space to put bicycles into. The need for cycle parking is immense. As soon as a hangar is in, spaces are taken and there's already a waiting list for more spaces in cycle hangars. So I think the response overwhelmingly is very positive towards them. Cycle Hoop is a great company to work with. It's very efficient. We have a system where we meet up in person, face to face, once every 3 months. We're constantly chatting, particularly when installations are taking place. So there's a lot of help, there's a lot of advice, there's a lot of hand-holding, which is really helpful, particularly because we really started rolling hangars out properly in 2024. So we needed to work very closely with Cycle Hoop, who had a lot of experience working with other boroughs, setting all of this up before they got to Hammersmith and Fulham. So really helpful. In terms of advice for other councils, I think what's important is building a team internally and planning for your first rollout. Expect that it's going to be a steep learning curve to get to your first rollout, and then you kind of get systems in place that work for you, work for Cycle Hoop. Cycle Hoop were very helpful at that period of time, and things start rolling into place.